just gorgeous here. Just as beautiful as it gets.
Well, thank you.
Heading out of Crested Butte on a beautiful fall morning. Nice view. Beautiful day, September morning, Crested Butte, Colorado. God, what a beautiful place. A bit of a bumpy ride.
So what's the best snack to bring on a trail? You don't want to carry a lot of weight. You don't want something that's going to spoil. I think we've come up with...
We got apple and Justin's...
peanut butter.
I think it's almond butter. That's going to be awesome.
Good stuff, yeah.
Look at that. You have no idea how tasty this stuff is together. It looks disgusting. God, is it good. If you don't mind.
That's our pick of the day.
Crested Butte is situated at the base of the West Elk Mountains. Locals argue that a bike race organized in 1976 over Pearl Pass to Aspen on the other side of the range is where mountain biking originated. In any case, it's a huge mountain biking area with dirt roads and single track all over this beautiful area. We were taking it comparatively easy today on our touring bikes.
Look at that mountainside. It's all, looks like carpeting, you know?
Yeah.
Back into the town of Crested Butte for a bite, a drink, and a good night's sleep.
Last time we rode without helmets.
Years.
So if we survive,
We live to tell.
we live to tell the story.
We don't recommend it. Don't try this at home.
But it's kind of nice. We just kind of got on our bikes like they were cruisers because we were talking about how nice it would be to have a cruiser and just to be able to hop on a bike without getting padded shorts on and clips on your shoes and just go get the groceries. So we're just kind of taking a little cruise down this little small, very untraveled paved road up by Redstone, Colorado. Beautiful fall day. It's great riding with you, baby.
It's good riding with you.
Always saving my ass.